Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you, and we always smiling, guys. We always smiling, even though my stomach is hurting me a little bit. So this is like the day after we did the it's a little bit dark in here. It's the day after we did the spicy wings challenge or whatever, and for me, I think I handled that challenge like pretty well. It was normal, but yo, the after effects of that, like generally whenever I go to what you call that place, whenever I go to KFC, like for some reason I love the spicy wings, but whenever I eat it, it's like my stomach act up, right? So yeah, I had those wings, whatever, and like this morning, you know, of course I was talking to Judah on a call, like we were on a video, and then yo, my stomach, like Johnny, like my stomach started hurting me and stuff. So I was like, yo babe, I'm gonna mute this call. And she was like, yo, are you in the bathroom? I'm like, yeah. Yo, little did she know the conversations that I was having. Yo, I was guys, literally, I was battling for my life. That's what I felt like. I was battling for my life, yo. I was like, yo, please, Lord, don't let them take me now. Get out of me, you demons. Oh gosh. Like, bro, like seriously, it was the worst situation. I don't know if y'all ever had that experience where you're doing your thing and like you legit, like you seriously have to, you gotta take your shirt off and shit. Take all your shirt off, you know what I'm saying? And then like your pants to the ground and stuff. You got your pants going to the ground, and like you don't want nothing holding you back. You know what I'm saying? You don't want nothing holding you back. So you kick that off and you just on your thing, like that's butt freaking naked, man. Like that was the experience that I had this morning. It was just like, yo, Jano, it was the worst, man. I hate that, man. I scratched my back. I tried to hold on to like the counter and stuff to get like reinforcement. Bro, it was horrible. But anyway, like I'm having some problem. Let me put back my shirt on. Yeah, so I took my shirt off. No, I put my shirt back on. Goddamn. But I'm having a little bit of problems with my dogs, man. Like seriously. Now I'm back to having to tie up the male and the two females, because like guys, they're puppies, yo, and for me this is like a life experience, man. This is getting me ready for someday whenever I get children, because like they're at that point where they're just gonna like just wreak havoc, you see me? And it's like, they're puppies, like what you gonna do really, you know what I'm saying? Like they get this habit now, I don't even know, like they get into the laundry room and they start like, they eat the food and stuff, and like, yo, Jano. So my goal, so they tied up on the back pretty much. Well, I released them not too long ago. So what I'm gonna do is to go to the hardware, pick up 2 bags of food, cause like right now they might eat like crazy. We don't know, like, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pick up, for some reason I started picking up the hair oil. And I remember when I first had hair oil, people were saying, like, the vet was saying, you know, it's not full of nutrition or whatever, but since I bought it, like they were putting on an average like 5 pounds every go. Now they're like at 7 pounds like every 3 weeks. So I'm like, you know, I'm gonna work with the hair oil. Plus it's like half the price of pedigree, and they've been out here for a while now and they've been improving. So I'm gonna work with that. I'm gonna buy 2 bags of that. So instead of getting just 1 bag of pedigree, I'm gonna get 2 bags of that. But I'm gonna also supplement their diet by you know, going to the supermarket and you know, trying to get meat cuttings and stuff. And then whenever that's done, I'll go back to pedigree, because with dogs you have to kind of switch up the food. So I'm gonna do that. I'm also gonna get some new chains to them, because they're getting big and strong. Like they're messing up those chains already. So I'm gonna deal with that and start on their dog bed, because like the house that I made, like the flooring is still, you know, sheet metal. So I'm gonna try to do something with the flooring, even though I suspect they're gonna eat the sponge flooring thing I'm gonna make like, you know, sponge and cover it over and stuff. Yeah, you guys will see. Wow guys, like I literally just got in the car just now and I feel my stomach acting up already. God damn. Can you imagine me like in the traffic right now? Had to put on my hazard lights and stuff. Open my door, go to the sidewalk and stuff. Open all, you know, you open like those 2 doors, like the front door and like the back door. And like, everybody, please don't look. like, put your cameras away! Because I, for one, would not be doing it on myself in the car. But I'm gonna head out right now. Today is a lot more beautiful than normal. Yesterday was very gloomy in Jamaica. We're currently having a lot of rains. But today, the sun is out and everything's looking good. I know you guys wanna see real quick. That's what today looks like. You know I love you all. I gotta give you all a little bit of the scenery every now and again. God damn, guys, like seriously, I was just driving out just now and I was looking back at my dogs, like from the gate, and they got some really scary looking faces, Rottweilers. Like, I swear to God, their face just looks so dark and just serious, man. But anyway, I'm heading on to the hardware right now. So I pretty much just got to the hardware. I'm gonna talk to y'all really quick because today is January 11th. And thinking about the date, I know some persons always say, yo, like, yo, you know, put the channel in the videos fast enough. Like, I don't know what they mean. If they mean probably like, yo, the videos are so good, we need to see more. Or if they're saying, yo, you know, for example, a New Year's video is gonna drop not on New Year's Day or the day after. It's gonna drop a little bit later than that. And the sole answer to that, whether you wanna see more videos or not, is that it's not a job. At the moment, like, logically, it's just not a job. So as much as you guys are watching the videos, and trust me, you guys have been watching a lot more. I see my video counts going up, and yo, I'm loving it. You understand? And the likes are going up, yo, and the comments are going up. I'm loving it for that. But you guys gotta understand, for those of you who don't understand, because most of you do, but there are some of you who don't, it is not a job. So you can't expect a small YouTuber, especially the Jamaican small YouTuber, like every day to like put in on a video. Here's a video, here's a video, da, 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 da. And then after a while they start putting out crap. Like a video where it's like, what? You're just showing me you picking a mango and eating? I don't want to do that. Plus also when I make the content, what I try to do, I try to make the content first. And whenever I have some free time, I'll just like edit like 4 or 5 videos. To be honest, for me, I could easily be a daily vlogger, guys. Like, I could easily pick up my camera every day and vlog. But at the moment, it's not really a job right now. It doesn't bring in like a lot of income. So until it gets to that point, then of course, I'm gonna, you know, put out like crazy content and whatever. It will get to that point. You know what I'm saying? But I'm just pretty much just watching things, trying to add things, try to keep you guys interested. I know most of y'all are. Like, we're almost at 1,000 subscribers, guys. Yo, I love y'all. But anyway, I'm gonna head into this hardware. I'm gonna show you some wood, no homo, and some metal and some dog food, and we're gonna do a thing. I know some of y'all Jamaican guys might be saying, what? What did he say? Wood? Oh my gosh, and start getting all emotional and stuff. Bro, like, it's so funny. But like in my head, I'm like, yo, why did that your head get to that point when you think about the word wood? Really? And no, I'm not cropping it out. I ain't re-editing that shit. But anyway, like, we had the hardware. I'm always down low like this because I don't want to be like, you know, having the camera like up high. But the hardware pretty much. The first thing we're gonna get some dog food. Alright, so gear, guys, we got the pedigree, which I was feeding them on the starting of their life. But that's like 7,000 something down there. Call it 8,000 plus. They don't like puppy chow, which is a little bit cheaper, but they don't like it. But down here, you got Heroy. And for some strange reason, they like it. They like it a lot. And Heroy has pretty much rebranded their thing. And they love it. And they've been putting on pounds because of it. So I'm gonna work with this and then switch when this one is done. Like, I just got the 2 dog foods, but I've been pretty much standing here because, like, what happened? Like, I didn't remember if I had, like, I put money in my account and stuff, so I pretty much just did it just now. And yo, right now, this is a broke January, man. Like, for those of you who are going to be in the struggle of getting that early pay in December and not having any money in January, welcome to the Hunger Games. Yo, you gotta shop around, you know, because like this costs like $1,300, and I got this from another hardware, just a little regular place, and it cost me like 7 bills. And I got 2 collars of them yesterday, so Johnny, I have to shop around sometimes. Now guys, I'm pretty much just looking for chains that can last them till adulthood, because yeah, for those niggas gonna be like, oh, he said hood again. I'm trying to find something that's really stable and sturdy. Like last time I got these, yo guys, don't get these. Yo, some of y'all hit me up and say, yo, you want to buy the puppies whenever I get them and stuff, and blah blah blah. Whenever you guys do, like, don't get this, because like a Rottweiler puppy will like literally bend this. Like, this ain't nothing for them. So I'm gonna have to get something like really thick. And okay, God damn, 1,900 for this? I don't think this is gonna last them until adulthood. But this is the part that I want. Y'all can see it good. Yeah, I want the one with the latch, with they call it a lobster claw latch. Where you can pull it down and it goes down. The other one that I just showed you, this, it can literally like just bend in and bend out. It doesn't make no sense. Man, guys, I had a big vlog problem today. Like I was doing my video, then I got the memory card error, whatever problem. That's happened to me a few times in the past, but normally I take the memory card out and pop it back in and we start working. I was doing that for like about 5 minutes today. It just would not work, so I couldn't keep recording and stuff. But my simple solution in the future is just to get another memory card, hopefully. I have 3 memory cards, but I keep one in each camera anyway, so I want a separate one that's not in a camera, so I can always have it on me. So if I have that problem, I can just go and use that until, because it's not like I can format the memory card on the road because I'll be losing my footage. So that's my problem. But like I had an eye-opening experience today. Well, not really eye-opening, but it was kind of strange. Like, well, not strange, but like there were a lot of women working inside of the hardware store, and like in my head I was like, yo, like where are like the guys? But I guess it's a part of our culture where, like, you know, not a lot of them, you know, be doing their thing. Or maybe they work in the lumber section, I don't even know. But like I was working with this young lady and stuff today, and she was like, you know, she was overwhelmed because like there were a lot of people coming to her and stuff, and I needed someone to help me cut the wire and whatever. But you know, she came over to me and she helped me, and she was like really so helpful, and like she was like really so informed, and I really love that about the story, because I learned how to, you know, I was with another lady before, but she didn't know how to do it so good because it wasn't her aisle. But anyway, I got to the other lady, and you know, she cut the wire, and she told me I could crimp it myself, because you know, she wasn't strong enough to do it. So she showed me and I crimped it. So I learned something today. I'll show you when I go outside and show you what I got for the dogs. And yeah, that was like, it was really cool to see that. Every time I go to hardware, I learn something. Called big man thing as a man. And I realize that of late I have a lot of male viewers too. At the moment where like it was normally like 60% males, 60% females. Now it's the reverse. It's 60% males and 40% females. So that's kind of cool. But you know, for the guys that watch this video, like who are probably like me and are like, you know, still learning about the world, learning how to be a man and stuff, you gotta do stuff like these, man. Like go to the hardware, let people know that you're ignorant. Ignorant meaning you don't even know how to do these stuff, and you gain that information and you pretty much learn. Cause that's how I'm learning some of these things, you know, to be like manly and all that crap. Pretty much. But then it brought me to another point, which is like, yo, y'all out there, like, yo, have your side hustle. You know, when I was with Hakeem and Reza, we were talking about that, you know, as vloggers, and I was like, yo, we all need to have our side hustle, something that is predominantly ours as people, where because yo, face the facts, like if you're working for a job, like tomorrow we cannot have that job anymore. Like, what's your side hustle? Like, what's you gonna have that you're gonna be having that's gonna help you, you know, to survive it through, or spend on extra things? Because like today I had to spend like probably like in US equivalent, probably like $100. I don't make $100 every single day. Is it? So like, if that's coming out, like, you understand? So that's my point pretty much. So that's why, you know, but I spend it on a good cause, because I got it for the dogs, and the dogs for me give me protection and crap. And you know, maybe in the future they get me a few puppies, and maybe I can make back whatever, you know, I spent for that. So that's gonna work out, and maybe for my beekeeping. So I would like for some of y'all to do that have that same type of philosophy in yourself. Isn't me? Like, have a side hustle, whether you be like a DJ, you know, doing your thing, big up yourself, down a V. Isn't me? You're a DJ making your thing, building yourself, because you never know, maybe it's the job that you're having now is going to be your success, or maybe it's your side hustle that's going to make you, you know, be who you want to be, because like you have to kind of chase your dreams. Because the way the world set up, as I realized, the world set up to kind of kill people's dreams, meaning like they tell you can't do it, you can't, and then we just give up. Like, never give up. But I'm gonna take you outside. For some of you who might have been with me on the start, you might remember my birds, Cloudy and Sunny. They're still here, making all their noise and stuff. Some of y'all probably still wonder like what happened to my blue car. It's still there. But this is the struggles that I go through, guys. See, my car is all dirty and stuff. Look how this car is dirty. Because I don't have a car cover on it, and I don't get to drive it that often. And of course these dogs, they just mess it up and mud it up and stuff. So when I had the car cover, they ate it. So bro, so that's why I kind of start chaining them up a little bit more, because what happens is when I chain them up, it does a few things for me personally. It gives me more control, pretty much, a little bit more control over them. But you see what I'm saying? They just love attention and they're babies. See? It gives me a little bit more control over them. It helps them to not be overly friendly, because like I don't want them going up to the gate to people and getting all friendly and stuff. So I'm trying to break that out of them. Look at everybody. Look at them. Good God. They know their food is there. Yeah, food is there. Papa got you food. So I kind of want to break that out of them. And then I don't want them to... Oh my gosh, you love hugs. Okay, I love you. Yes, I do. Sometimes I feel bad because he's the one that I let out, but I do that because of his personality. He's pretty calm and he doesn't like put himself into a lot of trouble. Unlike her, Mocha puts herself into a lot of trouble. Like they would pretty much like break. See, now he's tearing up my Adidas shirt, bro. Like they'll pretty much like take up bottles and just break them. Like for sure, it's not a joke, man. Let me try to find a bottle. I ain't got time to look for no bottle. Oh, look at this glass thing. They took it up, they broke it, and they just pretty much throw it all about. So that's why I gotta chain them up. But I chain them up maybe like half the day, release them for the other half, give them some time. And yeah, oh, to the meat of the matter, this is what I got today. So pretty much I just bought this man, whatever. I bought this wire thing. It's plastic on the outside, but inside it's wiring. And see, this one, they're taking the wire away. So may I tell you? So may I tell you? Him gone with him, I try to go with the wire, you know. So I learned, okay, big hug. Thank you, sir. Thank you. All right. I know some of y'all like looking at my dogs. So I had to buy this little metal piecing, push the wires through and crimp it. So I learned something new today. That's really going to help me out quite a bit. And then this is the part that I got that I needed, because normally I had, let me try to show you. I had this is the thing here, and I don't want to show it at the place, but sometimes this rusts over and you can't even open it or move it sometimes. And then of course, you know, it's compromisable. Like a big dog can after a while pull it and do them thing. You know, but this one is, so with this you can see it's like a chain link, but you can screw it. There's no way a dog can pretty much break this itself. Isn't it? It bolts in and bolts out. Yeah, so I like showing you guys those other stuff, because maybe in the future you got a project, or whenever you got a dog, you know what you can do. You can learn from someone else, so that's kind of cool. So I'm gonna show you how this thing is gonna work. Man, stop being in my crotch, nigga. God damn. This one licking my feet. God, man, y'all guys are like erotica. Y'all see around the back is a bit muddy at the moment. Oh, I'm just steady looking off a poop. This is kind of why I stayed away from these wires, because, yo, give me some space. Back up. Move. Move. Give me some space. Move now, man. Brother, you see what I'm telling you? Oh my gosh. Get away. Can you imagine if 3 dogs trying to attack you? God damn. That wouldn't even be nice at all. But yeah, you see this? Like after a while, these stupid links, they start bending in each other, and like they start making it shorter for them. So like every second I gotta be coming out here because they're crying, oh, I can't move, I can't move. This one. So here you got these cool little things, they call them tie outs. Pretty much it screws into the cappuccino. Go. Man, you just photobombing the damn blog. They call them tie outs. They pretty much get screwed into the ground. And pretty much logically, a dog cannot really pull this. When they get adults, they will be able to, but they got like the bigger ones. So I'll switch to I give up. All right, come on guys. Hey, come on. Say up there, guys. Say up. Show y'all Ricky before they get back. All right, I'll put this. Oh shit, they're back. Dude, come on, man. Screw it. Can you guys get? Come on, papi and mama. God damn. So like this goes down in there now. I got it hooked down. So it's already hard for it to pull up anyway. But even so, it's almost impossible for them to get rid of that. So that's hooked down. And then of course I'm gonna open this. She's looking unhappy already. She know what it is. She's trying to get inside. So and then, because I got them new collars, so both of them have blue collars now. Hooked like that. Shaba! And now she's pretty much tied in. Some of you might be like, why you don't give her some more space? And whatever. The reason why I don't do it is because of the trees. Because what will happen, they will start wrapping themselves around and then not be able to get out. You know what? That might be a lie. That might be a lie right now. Bro. That might be a lie right now because seeing that this is not a wire. Let's see. Be able to, yeah, they still probably can get wrapped up. But anyway, yeah, they can, you know, still, she can still make it inside. You know, let me check that out. Yeah, she can still make it inside. And they're not too close to each other because I don't want them to like get angry with each other and maybe like fight. But they're not going to be on this like all day anyway. It's just like part of the day, you know, keep them confined. This is what I was telling you that doesn't make any sense because, oh, Cappuccino, get away. Move! About these ones here. Like this is supposed to be on the other side, you see? They bent it out. Alright guys, pretty much the battery does that and that. Not a problem today. But look who's here. Judah! Because nobody likes me. But anyway, yeah, pretty much gonna end this vlog here. I'm gonna take a shower, go eat my Danish, drink some cold milk with that, and then. So I bought food and never think about me. Huh? You bought food and never think about me. So you're going to run today and never eat at all? Are you serious? What's the device still?
That's okay.
Huh?
That's okay.
I'll try some up on the vlog, guys. But anytime I go somewhere, she always eat. What the fuck? Whenever I go KFC, I'll buy a chicken box, which is like one piece.
Chill now.
It comes with biscuit and fries, and Judah orders a zinger, and she orders wings. So, yeah. Thanks for trying to show me up, but.
No, but I eat that. Don't I bring patty and cocoa bread enough time?
Huh?
Don't I bring patty and cocoa bread enough time?
Like this time? Anyway guys, remember to keep watching the vlog. For those of you who watch it and like when I put out videos or, you know, been liking it and stuff. If you guys like the daily vlogs like this where, you know, when I'm not traveling, you guys like seeing this in the interim, then get this video to 50 likes, bro, and I'll do more of these. If not, anyway guys, I'll see you next time. Remember these 3 things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link. Thanks guys.
All I am is a man.